Meet your new workshop hero. This compact blue bench vise with a smooth, professional finish and sturdy metal construction. Its versatile 360-degree rotation and flat jaw design make it perfect for welding, grafting, or any DIY project. Securely hold materials with ease and bring precision to your workbench. Scan the QR code in the top right corner to explore pricing and delivery options and make it yours today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy tools and expert tips. Key features include a flat jaw width of 50 millimeters, maximum opening of 60 millimeters, and a 360-degree swivel base for total flexibility.